Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Kali Linux distro from one USB to the other. Instead of getting the live version, you can get the full version on your USB drive. I tried doing this yesterday and it took a few hours to work out the kinks because some of the distros for some reason weren't working during the installation process. They weren't recognizing the previous USB, or they just had an issue booting up when I restarted the computer. So worked out all the kinks, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it quickly and efficiently today. Okay, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to have is two USBs, preferably empty. So you have one that you're going to load the distro into, the installation distro, and you're going to have the other one that's going to be empty, so that's the one that you're going to install from the first one to the second one. So go to Rufus, because this is going to be the tool that you're going to use to be able to get this distribution of Kali Linux installed into one of the USBs. And I already have this installed, so I don't need to install it again. But once you do, just do the regular, click on it, and click yes, and it'll install on your computer. Okay, so once you have Rufus installed, plug in your USB. There it is. And now let's go to Kali Linux downloads. And it should be this website here. Okay, so I tried a whole bunch of these. Don't do that. Go to installer images. And it's going to be this first one. Once you download it, since I already have it downloaded, it's going to be this one right here, installer. And down in the boot selection, select and look for that distribution download that you just grabbed. Okay, so that's the installer image. Open. Alright, so this you're going to want to leave alone right here. And you're also going to want to leave this alone as well. So start, and instead of doing it in ISO image mode, you want to do it in disk drive mode. For some reason, the ISO image mode option wasn't working for me while I was trying to install from one USB to the other. For some reason, it said that it wasn't like reading the other USB that I was trying to install into. So don't do this. Do that one instead. Click OK. And make sure the drive is backed up and everything, because it's going to delete everything on your flash drive. Just wait for that to finish.